Tired of project management feeling like navigating a minefield? Let's turn that chaos into clarity using the power of Microsoft 365. First, let's get organized. We'll start with Planner, your central hub for task management. Click New Plan, give your project a descriptive name, and add a brief project description. This sets the stage for everyone to understand the project's goals right from the start. Now, break down your project into smaller, manageable tasks within Planner. Create buckets to represent different stages or categories of your project. Then, add individual tasks to these buckets. Assign each task to a specific team member. Set a realistic due date. And use labels like high priority or needs review for easy prioritization. This keeps everyone accountable and on track. Next, let's enhance collaboration with teams. Create a dedicated channel for your project within your team. Add a Planner tab to directly access your project plan. Then, add file storage. Use the Files tab for easy access to shared documents and resources. Consider adding a shared OneNote notebook for meeting notes, brainstorming sessions, and quick information sharing. For more complex projects, integrate Microsoft Project. Link your Planner tasks to Project for detailed scheduling, dependency management, and resource allocation. The Gantt chart view provides a visual timeline, helping you identify potential bottlenecks and ensure timely project completion. By effectively using Planner for task management, Teams for collaboration, and Project for detailed scheduling, you can streamline your workflow, improve communication, and significantly increase your chances of project success. Microsoft 365 empowers your team to work smarter, not harder, ensuring projects are completed on time and within budget.